Hey, it's Kilobyte here. You may have seen some of my videos that I did with ceramic and graphene waxes. Did them on my truck, the black paint out in the sun. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you what I use on my Miata in the garage with the good paint. And it's the Blask 11 Classic Wax. Now, I've used a few of the Blask products, and I'll just tell you that they are good. However, this is real good, but it ain't cheap. Instructions. Okay, so it's made of 40% natural carnauba, extracted from palm trees. Yep. It's got the SiO2 ceramic and graphene. Provides a really good shine and protection. Directions. I'll show you how to put it on. It's got some precautions, you know, the normal things, doing a test spot and all that. You will need an applicator. Doesn't come with one. 70 bucks on Amazon, doesn't come with an applicator. And a clean microfiber cloth to wipe it off. It's got really fancy packaging. And that is the actual product. It includes a batch number. And it's got an odor. You may or may not like it. And it doesn't take much. Here's a quick video showing where I initially did my testing of this wax on the Miata. Check that out. Wow. So this side has not been waxed in a while. You can really tell. Oh wait, and that side still beating like crazy. I did this test section, just this passenger side roof with the wax 2 months ago. That section, driver's side, wasn't done. Can you tell the difference? Yeah. So this applies just like a regular carnauba wax. I do recommend wearing the gloves because this has the silicone and the graphene in it. And you don't want those on your hand. You can help it. But you literally just take a little bit. Oh, if you have paint protection film, check with your film maker to see if it's okay to put this type of thing on it. If yours is self-healing, you don't want to put things like ceramic or graphene on them. It'll affect the self-healing properties. And you just start at a section. I mean, you can see, I gotta be careful when I get towards my PPF. Doesn't take much. It's super easy to put on. You can put it on any glass surface. So it is expensive, but it does cover well. And I like to work it in. All right, right here. Generally, we want to do circles, but I don't want to get it on the PPF, so it's applied to this section. Now I'm going to set a timer. So the product says 20 to 30 minutes. It totally depends on the temperature. So I'm going to set this 20 minutes. You can do one panel at a time if you're inexperienced, but I'm going to continue to go panel to panel on my car until that 20-minute timer is up. Then I'm going to come back and check it And if it's dry, I'll start wiping it off in the order in which I put it on, and then I'll restart wherever it was I left off. On the Miata, I'll have this whole thing finished before the 20 minutes is up. It's a small car. But it's been almost 30 minutes. And let's see, it's 81 degrees and like 55 humidity, no wind. That looks a little drier. Does that show some? Yeah, you can see a little bit. Anyway, you want it to set for a while to get dry. It may not get... Okay, there you can kind of see. I'm hoping you can see that. When you put rub your finger on it, it should feel dry. If you wait much longer, it's going to be much harder to remove with the microfiber towel. So now, clean microfiber towel. You may need more than one. And you just start buffing. And hopefully it is that easy. I mean, it is coming off easy. Gotta just do the rest of the car now. Okay, we're done. Here's the end results. Now it is overcast, which is great for actually washing and waxing your car, but not necessarily the best for showing it off. But here it is. So this stuff came off really easy. I was very sloppy around the trim pieces, and like this piece here, this is rubber. Got it on that. It came right off. This right here, got it on that. It came right off. Oh, also, Plastidip. I got a little on here and here, and it just came right off. No, at least short-term effects. And hopefully this will show up in the camera. It's nicely, it's really, really shiny. It's 40% wax, so it has that look, not your spray-on wax stuff, which is different. So for instance, it's still slick, but it's not as slick as like those spray-on ceramic waxes or the graphene, because it's got more actual wax, but it's gonna bead. You saw the beading hopefully in the video, and I mean it beaded really well. Now this one, I don't know how long this is gonna actually last. It's been over 2 months since I did the test piece, and it was still beading nicely when I waxed it this last time. But it's garage kept, so you know, if you keep it in the garage, obviously it's going to last longer than if it's out in the sun and the weather. So I can't comment on how long it's going to last. And that's how much I used. If you compare it to before, it's a little bit, but I mean I could use, oh boy, I don't want to make a guess at how many times I could wax the Miata with this, because it's a lot. So okay, the pros: it is a wax 40%, but it's also got the ceramic and the graphene for the extra protection, and it does have a really nice shine. It's not as slick as some of the others. It's also, this could be a pro or a con depending whether or not you like doing the wax thing, doing the Karate Kid wax on, wax off. If you're old school like me, you do enjoy that, and honestly it's a good arm workout. But it does come off really easy. It wiped off really easy. So it's not like some of the waxes you put on or polishes that you put on that dry and you got to really scrub them to get them to come off. This is not like that. And the hydroponics is really good. Now, oh, and the packaging is great. But 70 bucks. I personally save this for the Miata, because honestly, I think that's the only one worthy of it. You know, I'm not going to put that on the truck. It's just not worth it unless I'm going to show it the next day or something. Anyway, all right, enough rambling. So, hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, and good luck with your purchasing decision. But I wanted to point out, 40% wax. Wax gives a different shine than like the spray-on detailers and the ceramic graphene waxes that you spray on. The wax gives a deeper, I don't think that the camera is going to really show it well, but it's a deeper shine